Hello and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to delete your Instagram account permanently using your Android phone. Whether you're taking a break from social media or just want to remove your profile for good, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Account Center. After that, click on Personal Details. Now choose Account Ownership and Control. Following that, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then, click on Username account you want to delete. Next, choose Delete Account and tap Continue. After that, Instagram will ask you to choose a reason for deleting your account. Select the option that best matches your situation. Then, scroll down and tap Continue. Then, scroll again and click on Continue. Next, enter your password when prompted and press Continue again. Finally, tap on Delete Account to permanently remove your Instagram account. That's it. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.